Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Alright, now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Awesome, thank you.
Alright, let's start at the top. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai, they're letters. Now not just any letters, these are the vowels i te Reo Māori. They have a, e, I, o, and u.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's somebody running. Oma.
Alright, and our final clue, clue tuatoru, is right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai, it's a rabbit, a rāpeti. We have all 3 clues. We have the Māori vowels, we have oma, which is run, and we have rāpeti, which is rabbit.
Ooh, I know what song we're going to sing. We're going to sing Oma Rāpeti.
That's right, this is a fun song all about a racing rabbit. And we're going to also be learning the vowels i te Reo Māori too.
I'm going to count to toru and we're going to have a sing along together. Are you ready? Tahi, rua, toru.
Oma Rāpeti, Oma Rāpeti, Oma, Oma, Oma. Oma Rāpeti, Oma Rāpeti, Oma, Oma, Oma. Piko, 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 toro, piko. Toro, 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 piko, toro.
That was so much fun. I loved crouching down and stretching with the rāpeti.
Which action did you enjoy doing?
Oh,
okay.
I like that one too. Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember those 3 things we learnt at the beginning. Here's the first one. Remember, they were the Māori vowels. The first one is a, e, I, o, and u.
The next one starts with the sound o, oma, running.
And our last one starts with the sound r, ra, rāpeti, rabbit. Hey, we hope you enjoyed running around with our rāpeti with the rabbit today. Keep hopping and keep learning those vowels. We'll see you next time. Let's do our goodbye song together.
Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey kone.
like and subscribe down below.
So you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes with my carrots.
Not me.